In third grade, a lot of what we talk about in the beginning of the year and throughout the year is our place value. For example, the number 362, we would write out 300 plus 60 plus 2. For our expanded form, we're looking at each of those places, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. If I write that out exactly how I say it, 362, that's our word form. And then standard form is exactly how we would look at that number. This skill right here, expanded form with our place value, hundreds, tens, and ones, is very helpful when we go on to rounding. For our third grade rounding, one of our big skills is rounding to the nearest 10, and we can do that a couple of ways. One way is we like to use a number line. For the number 362, I have a 6 in the tens place. That 6 is worth 60. I'm going to start my number line at 360, and if I go up 10 more, I have 370. Exactly in between 360 and 370 is 365. Our next step would be we have to go and find where 362 would fall on that number line, and that would be right around here. Because we're on the left side of 365, we would round this number down to 360. Another way I could look at this and how to round it would be if I look at my tens place, because I'm rounding to the nearest 10, and I look one place next door and I have a 2. Any digit in that place that is 4 or less, so 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, means we're going to round down. If this digit was 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, or a 9, then I would be rounding up. But because I have a 2, I'm going to round down. 362 is closer to 360, so I would round to 360. We also round to the nearest the nearest 100 in third grade. Again, our number 362. I have a 3 in my hundreds place, so I'm going to start my number line at 300, and I'm going to go up to 400. That's my next 100. 350 is right in the middle, or halfway between 300 and 400, and I'm looking for 362. Because I've passed the halfway point of 350, I'm going to round up to 400. If I was using my place value for rounding to the nearest 100, I would underline the digit in the hundreds place and I'd look one place over. Because I have a 6 there, anything 5 or more, we're going to round up. 362 would round up to 400.